I want to start off this video by saying screw FedEx. I hate ordering through FedEx because there's always some bull crap happening to my packages every time I order through FedEx. I thought Skar went through UPS, but apparently they stopped going through UPS. Oh my god, I cannot stand FedEx. Tell you what happened after I unboxed this amp. I got it cut open, and let me say this: the packaging is not the best because this paper was supposed to keep it from moving, but it was like it's sitting on top, like it's still, I gotta do it, moves in the box freely. The packaging is not that good, so we're starting off the unboxing mad as hell. Anyways, here we go. The RP 2000. Just pitch out real quick. Let's see. A box inside a box. Alright, here we go. Voila. RP 2000. These are nice little amps right here. Very nice. Here we go. The RP 2000. This amp does its rated power. I would highly recommend this amp, but the only drawback is it's not efficient. This amp is made in China. So it's not gonna be as efficient as the Korean board amps. But if you have, good battery power, good electrical, you should be able to run this amp or the other RP series. Let's see the side of this bad baby. Nice little amp. 0 gauge inputs. Nah, this amp is not going in my Forerunner. My system is still currently down right now. Hopefully it'll be up soon. Hopefully. But anyways, let me tell you about FedEx now. And all my problems I had with them. Well, not all of them. This video will be way too long if I tell you all the problems I had with FedEx. But anyways, when I ordered my subs, I think, it's the REs. Was it REs or the Sound Cubes? I think it was the Sound Cubes. They literally left the subs right by the road. I mean, literally anybody could just drive and like pick it up and pin in their car. I mean, the fence was wide open. I mean, wide the freak open. I don't see how you just leave it right by the road instead of going to the door. The fence is wide open. Other time FedEx screwed up my order is when I got a Crescendo 3500. They literally tossed the Crescendo 3500 over the fence. I mean, I sat there and watched them do it from the window. They tossed the box right over the fence like it's freaking basketball. Goodness gracious. Skipping all the other times FedEx screwed over my orders that's not car audio related. Now, when it came to this amp, they literally left it outside the freaking gate. When the gate was wide open, like, how could you do that? Leave it outside the freaking gate when the gate was wide open, similar to my freaking freaking Sound Cubes. Left it outside the gate. I mean, for anybody to steal it right by the damn mailbox. I mean, oh my god. I mean, come on, man. I can't stand FedEx, man.